Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This is pork spare ribs with honey sauce. So, may ganito pa. Oh. We're here in Island Shangri-La, Shenzhen. This is our room, superior room. We just arrived. It's raining outside. So we will walk backwards so you can see that our view is the swimming pool and the gym. But it's raining outside. So see, the gentleman gave us a nice room with a very nice view. Look at this. This is the pool. You see, this is a room and this is the pool, and then beside the pool is the gym. So we have a nice view. We're going to stay here for 2 nights. And then this is also back to our room, our bed, back to the pool. You see? It's nice. It's nice. Okay. Enjoy. Cheers. Yes. Thank you. Ay, mas masarap sa'yo. Yeah.
Tissue? Yeah.
Thank you. This is the breakfast buffet here in Shangri-La. All bread. My donuts. My muffin. My croissant. My sourdough. The cereal bar, a food stand. Ay, may sushi na sila. Morning sushi. Yan, morning sushi. Our fruits, may guava. And that one also, parang boat siya. Boat na salad bar. Cute. Coffee garden. Sunny side up for you. Over easy. May ano siya, may ano siya. Si Bunny. Tingnan ko muna. Bunny, oh, mayroon siyang ano, salad. No, later. Yan. Ah, ito pa. Yan pa sila dito. Congee bar. Ah, ito yung ano. Ito yung Chinese. Ay, meron siyang ano. Meron siyang malay ko na maliliit siopaw. Ah, may kamote. May ano ba yan? Ito to. Tagal ko na din nakakain yan. Oh, I see. Nice. Having breakfast here in Island Shangri-La. Ito yung breakfast buffet nila. So enjoy our breakfast. Enjoy! The Island Shangri-La pool. Gloomy. Saka medyo malamig. Ayaw nga. Ah, lalaki ng isda. Hello! May waterfalls. Dito sila. At least may naririnig silang tubig. Ah, at least malinis to kasi ano, overflowing.
Meron tayo naman.
May ano, ito yung adult pool, yun yung ano, children's pool. Yung maliit. Here in the pool, wala nagsiswimming. Kasi
Malamig kasi.
Malamig.
Saka wala akong shower. Walang cup, kaya shower cup ito suot.
Oh, wala akong makitang cup kasi bawal. Kailangan dito may cup para daw hindi bara ang ano, regulation daw nila yon. Actually, ang buong China ang regulation. Kaso, ang problema ko malamig.
Ah, okay.
Ito 1.3 meters. It's very cold. We're here. Andito kami ngayon sa 360 dito sa Island Shangri-La Shenzhen. Yung bar nila. Gutom na kami, kakain kami. So, nandun sa amin beer. Tapos may mga in-order kaming mga food. Kasi ayaw na namin lumabas kasi umuulan. Ang ganda ng lugar, which is gustong-gusto naman namin kasi halos 2 couples lang kami dito. O diba? Relaxing. Enjoy! Yan si Bunny. Yan yung view namin. Lalabas sana kami, kaya na umuulan eh. Kaya dito na lang kami sa bar. May mga pagkain naman dun dito, pika-pika. Sige, we'll show you the food. Mga pika-pika. Ang ganda na yung Yan yung view namin. Yan. 360 degrees kaya dito sa bar and restaurant. Ganda. Yan. Yan. Sa likod ko, yan yung mga wines and bar. Yan. Pero mas maganda ang view dito. Hindi against the light. Ganda. Yan. Yan. Diba? Yan si Bunny, kakain ng tinapay. Gutom na. Wala pa yung food namin. Ay, in-order namin. Yung isang platter, wala daw. Hindi daw available sa chicken. Okay lang. So, we ordered another one. Yan. Ito yung pangatlo naming order. Boschetta. Yan. Tama to, para hindi kami masyadong mabusog. Kasi gabi na. Pero gutom kami. May isa pa kaming order. Let's see. Yan. Very light lang
Cute,
in order.
diba? Cute.
Cute nga. It's really cute. Yan. Cute. And beer. With beer, so nice. So, Bunny is enjoying. Yan. Pero in fairness, ang cute ng meat na yan ha. Kala ko malaki. We're here at the lobby of Shangri-La in Shenzhen. We just finished eating in the 360 bar. Yan. Nice place. Yan. 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 Yan si Bunny. Let's go and relax and rest.
Ba't ako mahal? Gano'n parang kayo 48 na yun. Mabaka yun, yung supot na yan. Ganito lang, bumili na.
Yan may finish pa. Mainit yan eh. Yan ang dami. O yan na oh, nasunog.